I'm about to head in this J&J Fish place, Fish and Chicken. Originally from Chicago, but over here on, I guess it's the North Expressway right here. I've been eating some of these places before up in Clayton County. What I don't understand, there's a sign that the J&Js are made to look like fishes, but it makes their sign look like it's unreadable. Well, it does make their sign unreadable. But this is in what used to be the Long John Silver's. So we're about to figure out how good it is. Alright, that's what this place looks like on the inside. It's pretty clean. Now I'm in the men's room. It's your typical older restroom, but it's pretty clean. Got tissue paper, it's got a handicap rail. You got a floor drain, you put this in just for me. The lights are automatic when you walk in here. It does have air blower. Sink, it does have soap. So it's pretty clean. I'm in the dining room here. That's a view out the front. It's only got about 4 tables in it. Got a bunch of chairs over there for waiting. Okay, this isn't exactly what I thought. We got the meal for 2, and that's got tilapia. I'm not sure if it's got any chicken with it. I don't think so. And it only came with 1 drink, even though it's a meal for 2. But it was $13.90, and we'll see how good it is. Well, it ain't chicken this comes with. It got shrimp. It's right there on the right hand side, closest to me. This is my dog Darla, and nothing makes her happier than people subscribing to my video channel. So make her happy and keep that tail wagging. Alright, we're done with that meal now, and it's pretty good. It's worth the money. It wasn't no fish tails, but it was really good, you know, for what you pay for and all. I recommend that folks come back here. Okay, a couple of final thoughts here. This is right across the street from the Tabernacle Praise Church here at Highway 16 and North Expressway, and sort of behind the Wendy's right there at Highway 16 and North Expressway. And the only thing I did not like was the bread that came with the meal. It was just plain white bread. It wasn't toasted at all. I really wish it would have toasted it just a little bit. But the meal itself was pretty good. And I understand, you can't tell it from here, but I understand the drive-thru's open. And they do deliver with Uber and all that stuff. Alright, that's it on this one.